if you all look up, right above you there is the original entrance to the cave.
There are 144 steps in this cave.
44 steps.
Now most of these steps will be wet, so please make sure to watch your footing. We also have several low-hanging formations, so make sure to watch your heads as well. And finally, this is an active cave. And all that means is that it's still forming, so do your best not to touch the cave walls. The oils from our hands will damage the surface. Now if you need to touch it for balancing or anything like that, I won't get after you. Now if I could get a volunteer to shut the door behind us as we enter the cave. You'll have to be in the back. Sure. Alright, I got my volunteer. Let's head on down.
Alright, Jeff. Hold my hand.
I don't need hands.
Make sure no touch it and then watch your step.
Cutting off in front of somebody.
The stairs.
Big head. Big head. watch out.
Go. That's how you go. We're going.
Yep, there. We are going down. Watch step. Almost the same blue before. This one, see? I'm talking about that one. That's the onyx here. Onyx.
Now if you all look up, right above you there is the original entrance to the cave. Cedar tree fashioned into a crude ladder and dropped it about 29 feet into the ground. Now when the brothers saw this, they wanted no part of it, but they sent in their little sister anyway. Now, we actually used to have a spiral staircase that ran down through here. We walked down the stairs, get to the end of the cave, then we have to turn around and go back up. Fortunately for us, the entrance that we just came through was dug out in 1926, and the exit was dynamited in 1924. Now over here to my right, we do have a moonshine still. Now you might be wondering what moonshine and caves have to do with one another. Well, here in Kentucky, actually quite a bit. Now moonshine was a popular idea to put your stills down in caves. Now moonshiners did this to avoid detection. The police would look for fires in the night to get them, and down in the cave they could conceal the fires and get away with the crime. We have an excellent example of both the stalagmite and right above that, a stalactite. Now, does anyone know the difference? Yeah, I think I heard someone say it. Now, stalactites come from the cave ceiling and grow towards the cave floor, while stalagmites come from the cave floor and grow towards the cave ceiling. Now, a great way to remember that is that stalactites hold tight to the ceiling, and stalagmites might reach the ceiling. Now, these will only grow at about 1 square inch every 100 years. So our cave is mostly made up out of limestone, We do also have a little iron, and that's what gives it its red coloring. Now up ahead, we will have two pits. One will be to your right, and one will be to your left. So make sure to watch out for those. Now as we continue from there, we'll get to another set of stairs. Now this set of stairs will be wet, but we do have railing to hold on to. So make sure to hold on to that as we continue forward. And finally, at the top of these stairs, right up here, we do have the shortest opening in the cave. Now this is only about a 4-foot opening, so make sure to watch your heads. Now as an added bonus, if the person in front of you says ouch, it means get lower.
Is that little waterfall?
It's mini room.
Huh?
It's mini room.
Mini loop. Ah, mini loop. The loop before. Huh? Wow. Interesting.
Point out to you. The first is going to be over to my left and your right. Now that is known as cave baiting. It's kind of funky shape coming off the wall here. Now it gets its name not only from its shape, but when it's thin enough and you put a flashlight to it, it'll actually glow red. Now right over behind us, you might have noticed as we were walking down the stairs, that is a column. Now, a column is formed by stalactite and stalagmite meeting, and it's about 1.6 million years old.
Wow.
Now, to put that into context for you, our cave is only around 2 million years old. Now, right over here is our cave pool. Now, our cave pool sits at about 50 degrees at all times. Now, there are no fish in this water, but it actually used to be a wishing well. Now, back in the 70s, they came down here and they took two 55-gallon drums and pulled all the coins from this water. Now, you might also notice an addition on this wall here. There actually used to be a wooden bridge that ran across. Now, whoever decided to put a wooden bridge in a cave, well, they weren't the brightest. It slowly rotted out, and we had to take it away. Now over to my right, you can notice all kinds of names carved along the wall here. Now this is our cave guest book. Now you can't sign the cave guest book anymore. In 1988, the Kentucky Conservation Act was passed. And all it said is that we can't harm or damage the caves in any way. Now the coolest signature, in my opinion, is right up here. Now it's a little hard to make out, but that is UNP upside down. Now that was done by candle. They used the soot from the candle to carve their initials into the ceiling there. And it dates back to around the 1800s. So this is the deepest we will be in the cave. We are currently at 126 feet below right now. Now it might not feel like that yet, but it may when we go back up. Are there any questions before we continue? All right. Now do make sure you hold on to the railing. Now at the top of these stairs, there will be a small pool of cave water. For anyone who would like to reach in and touch the water, you are more than welcome to do so. Just please do not drink the water. It does have a high amount of magnesium, and that'll have the same effect as laxative. Now from there, we will have one last pit to our right. Now this pit's pretty cool. It's wider, and you can see all the way to the bottom. So do make sure to look out for that. Then we will go up our last set of stairs. Now at the top of these stairs, there'll be some crystals that I'll point out to you. So make sure to look for those. And then we'll be by the cave exit. Now by the cave exit, we will have a little mud, so do make sure to watch your step.
Video. Go.
Make sure you hold the hand out.
Wow, what the? to go down. Thank you so much,
No
sir.
problem. You'll have a great day.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.